People say your success depends on many factors, including how hard work you do and how passionately you do your work. But there's one more thing that I would like to add. Hi, my name is Ishaan Khanna and I'm a forensic expert and a graphologist in New Delhi. There's one more thing on which your success depends, and that is your handwriting and your signatures. You heard it right. Your handwriting and your signature plays a very important role in your life. Let me explain with a pretty simple logic. Whenever a thought comes in your mind, a chemical connection happens between the neurons or the nerve cells. And this chemical connection gets converted into electrochemical current, which runs down through the nerves into our hands and fingers. And then again, when we write, it gets imprinted on the paper. The imprint on the paper is in the form of lines, loops, curves, dots, and angles, also known as graphs. And we graphologists study these graphs, and the whole study is known as graphology. In simpler terms, handwriting analysis or the signature analysis. These graphs plays a very important role in understanding the person's subconscious mind, the person's character, the person's nature, the person's everything. One can get to know by studying these graphs or the lines, loops, curves, dots, and angles. Because ultimately, whenever we write something, it's a combination of all of these. For example, if we consider I, it's a dot and a line. Or we say C, it's a simple curve. Or A, which might be a curve and an angle. It depends on how we write and who writes, right? So there are a number of examples we can give. So you might be thinking graphology, what areas it works for. The most important area, according to me, is understanding yourself. Yes, graphology can help you self-introspection. It is an amazing thing to learn more about yourself, right? Apart from that, it can help you in building healthy relationships, wealth, and whatnot. You can find your partner also, compatibility partner you can also find through the handwriting and the signatures. Interesting though. Yeah, for HRs, yeah, they can use the handwriting analysis for hiring people, and for police and the criminals, it also plays a very important role in knowing which person has a criminal tendency, and probably we can get to know also if a person has a suicidal tendencies or too. You heard it right. I know it's a shocking thing for you, but it's true. Many universities in whole of the Europe and US, they are using this handwriting analysis for many things. Probably there are many companies in US and UK and in whole of the Europe who are using the handwriting analysis to hire people. But probably it's a very new thing for Indians, but it's gaining a boom in today's era, because at the end, it's self-introspection is what can help you to achieve more. So this is the pretty simple logic behind, and this handwriting analysis and the signature analysis is a very important role that plays in your success. So that's all for the today. Thank you.